We can check the values of the spectrogram by right-clicking and selecting Quick Info. For more detailed information, different views of the spectrogram are available, including the waterfall. Also, slice diagrams and spectrum. And with this, it's very easy to check the detailed information of any spectrogram. Next, we'll show you how to do sound filtering. Something else can be filtered by a cascade of up to 20 filters, which are either frequency-based, equalizer, low-pass, high-pass, band stop, or filters, or can be order-based filters. All of the filters can be displayed graphically or numerically. So for example, we can see here we have a strong component around 350 Hertz and another strong component around 170 Hertz. So here we want to design two band stop filters. The first one is around 350 Hertz with a bandwidth of 300 Hertz. And filter 2, which is around 170 Hertz with a bandwidth of 100 Hertz. So now we can listen to the original sound, or the sound with filter 1, or the sound with filter 2 only, or the sound with both filters. So we can easily listen to the original sound and the different filtered sounds for an efficient method of comparison. The filtered signal can also be saved as a WAV file. And the cascaded filter can also be saved and loaded later. It's possible to filter out only part of the time signal. So here we only want to filter out the middle part of the sound. We want to use the same cascaded filter that we saved before. Now we can listen to it. Then we can save it. Multiple signals can be analyzed in batch using the same parameters. So here we analyze the original sound file named gong. So now we want to analyze the two filtered signals. Here we use the same parameters. And then we get the analysis for the different signals. We can use the so-called distance spectrogram to see the differences between similar sound signals in the time frequency domain. For example, we can see the distance spectrogram of the FFT between the original sound and the first filtered sound. So here we can see the difference in the time frequency domain. We can also see the difference between the original sound and the partially filtered signal.